Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is like a long waited video which I couldn't stop myself from unboxing these boxes first of all because it came I think 2 days before, 2 to 3 days before, and I am shooting it today. And what I did that this month I actually ordered both the boxes. I ordered the vanilla book box as well as the dark chocolate box, and I just couldn't stop myself from unboxing it. So I did it without the camera, but yeah, what I did is that I kept everything intact. Of course the packings are not there, I've thrown them out, but all the other things are there. So let's start with the vanilla book box. So first of all, this month's boxes are awesome. Like okay, I haven't gone through all the books and everything. So the first thing which is there in the vanilla book box is like a board game. Okay, so this is a board game, the first thing which they have sent, and this is like very beautiful. You can see it's very aesthetic. Actually, it's very pretty. I just loved it. Okay, next thing is another thing which is very close to me is a packet of coffee. Okay, so this is I think something different. I haven't seen it before. So there are instructions with the coffee, and of course I'm gonna make it. It's a French press edition light medium roast with notes of star fruit, blueberry and walnut. Okay, so this is going to be I'm going to enjoy it for sure. And so this is the second thing, and I have seen that this coffee is there in both the boxes. So yeah, it's really good. Now comes the books. So let's see what are the books which are there. So the first book, okay, the main book is this. I think this is the main book. It is Everland by Amy Abdel-Noor, I think. I hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong. So let's see what the book is all about, because I have no idea. So that's the beauty of these boxes. So it is the year 2000 when Dina, a Jewish teenager from London, arrives in Israel with her family. Still reeling from the death of her beloved dad, the idea of having to start all over again daunts her. Dina isn't quite sure what to make of this seemingly pristine place. Her new life seems soulless and suffocating. So this is I understood that the setting is Israel. Another teenager, Safa, watches Dina settle in, a 14-year-old Palestinian who was shot and killed decades ago in the Six-Day War. Safa is caught in limbo. She is unable to pass on fully without knowing what happened to her younger sister, Noor, who is still alive somewhere. After 33 years, the possibility of finding her sister is suddenly within reach, but Safa needs Dina's help. So, alternating between past and present and between Safa and Dina, Everland is an evocative, powerful story that sheds light on the ongoing occupation of Palestine. So, this is going to be like a historical fiction. I enjoy historical fiction. Like, I have read a couple of them in this year and the last year, like many years. So, I have always found it so fascinating, especially when you know the history behind it. If you really know it, then of course you're going to enjoy it more. I think so. So this is the first book. Of course, after reading this, I'm going to share my opinions. So yeah, this is the first one. And the second read is this. Of course, it is by Ashley Winsett, Hot Girl Murder Club, and I'm sure this is going to be. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the bookmark which I kept inside. Yeah, so this is the bookmark which came along with the book. You can see this is what I really enjoy about these book boxes, that they really, complement these books with beautiful bookmarks, and I don't have to choose it when I start reading it, because I don't know, when I read books I really want that the bookmark should be going with the theme of the book or the color of the book or the concept of the book. I want it. It's not of course necessary but I enjoy it. So yeah, so this particular books I don't have to think, because I keep the bookmarks inside these books. So this is the second read. I have no idea again. When powerful men begin turning up dead across Los Angeles, suspicion falls on emerging pop star Scout Sage. Still haunted by her sister's mysterious death, Scout faces the collapse of her career, her reputation, and her tenuous belief in justice. Assigned to the case is Detective Gray Holloway, whose own history sharpens every judgment. As Gray digs deeper, she uncovers whispers of the so-called Hot Girl Murder Club, a covert Sisterhood of ambitious women rising through Hollywood. Women who are done waiting for the men in charge to deliver what's right, bent instead on taking it for themselves. But are they correcting a broken system or creating a far more dangerous one? So yeah, of course, this is going to be addictive, which is also written by May Cobb. And so yeah, this is something I think everyone is going to enjoy, though I think there is a like a thriller touch to this. This is a thriller only. So yeah, that's like in the vanilla book box you're getting a thriller, so that's I think that's a gift. So if you're a thriller lover, I think most of the people are, like those who are reading books, I think everyone enjoys reading thriller. And there are some people who really enjoys romances and stuff, but I think most of the people really enjoys thriller. And I think this is like a surprise, because we expect in the vanilla book boxes that there will be lit fictions and historical fictions and other stuff except thriller, but you're getting a thriller inside the vanilla book box. So yeah, it's good. So yeah, so this was all about the first box. And this of course there are cards and everything, but you know what I figured out, that when I actually unbox the book boxes, the real expression which I give out, it shouldn't be recorded in front of the camera, you know. So that's very weird type of expressions which I gave. So I thought that it's better to, you know, do it not in front of the camera, and then afterwards let me show you all the books and all the stuff which they are sending, because here I can also read the blurb, because otherwise the videos become very long, and of course you will not enjoy watching it. So that's why I thought that this is a better idea, that sure, at least talking a little bit about the books is better, which I thought. I don't know whether this is good or not. You can just let me know that if you really want me to open the boxes in front of the camera or open it before, because sometimes I just couldn't stop myself. I just can't stop myself from opening it up when it comes, and every time I'm not ready, you know, to come in front of the camera, because I have to, you know, schedule my everything. So that's why this what I did for this box is. And okay, so this is the next box. Let me show you. This is the thriller box, and the first thing which I really loved about these boxes are the wrappings, which I have shared in my previous videos also. So the first thing is this one. I think this is the best thing which I have received till now in all the boxes. Oh yeah, another thing is there which I cannot, you know, stop myself from showing, which is this one, a reading tracker. So yeah, so this is the reading tracker, and this is beautiful. Now I am in dilemma right now. What should I do? Should I start from here, or should I wait till next year? Like, I don't know, because I already have a journal. I made it by my own, like my diary, where I keep all my things, but this format is really good. But here there are two books which you can write. I think here, okay, here it's only the title, written by, published in, rating, and start date, end date. Okay, it's just like Goodreads. I think this is like a Goodreads kind of a thing, where you are not getting that much place to write about the book, but yeah, you can write a few things, or like a one quotation which you really enjoyed from the book. You can write that quotation in this particular box. So yeah, this is like a very short thing which you can carry also if you really want to, like if you're traveling and you want to keep record of all the books you're reading. And so this is I think this is going to help you do that stuff. So yeah, this is pretty. There are lots of pages, so I think I'm going to use this from this month only. I'm not going to wait till next year. I can't. So then you have the coffee. I told you that there are coffee, so I got basically 2 packets of coffee this month. So yeah, that's really nice. And this bottle, which is also very pretty. I can make coffee over here, and okay, I can make coffee over here and I can drink it, of course. Then comes the books. Okay, so let's just dive in. There are two books which I'm going to talk about, and again these books are very, very good. So the first book is this Hunger and Thirst by Claire Fuller. You can look at the cover, which is pretty. I think this book is more about trauma, and I think there are certain trigger warnings which will be given in this book. This is the, I think this is going to be the bookmark for this book. I hope so. Yeah, so let's see what is written. 1987, after a childhood trauma and years in and out of the care system, 16-year-old Ursula finds herself with a new job in the post room of a local art school, a bed in a halfway house, and delightfully some new friends, including wild child Sue. When Ursula is invited to join a squat at the Underwood, a mysterious house whose owners met a terrible end, she can't resist the promise of a ready-made hodgepodge family. Okay, so this is like a very normal term I use, but yeah, so this is written. So there is a huge blurb. I'm not reading it the entire thing, but this is going to be fun. Fun plus traumatic, which I felt after reading the blurb, that this is going to be fun and traumatic. So this is the book, very pretty. The font is very nice, and this is telling me to read it right now, but of course I will not read it now. So this is the first book, and the second book is The Carrier. Wow, again the cover is very pretty, like very pretty cover. And here it's a very small blurb. Let me read it for you. A revolutionary company can free you from your unwanted emotions, jealousy, grief, despair. If you can afford to, you need never feel them again. In your place is a carrier, a woman who is paid to process your pain. In a world full of suffering, there is no shortage of demand. So basically I think this is a company who is giving people, and you are going to pay for your grief. So this is something a very different kind of concept. This is written by Ruth Newton. So of course after reading this book, I'm going to share my views about it. So yeah, this was it. There should be another bookmark inside, but it's not there. I don't know, it should be in the box. Oh yeah, here it is, this one. This is the book. I think this is the cover. Sorry, this is the bookmark. Yeah, so this was all about the 2 book boxes which I bought in this month. And let's see, I am actually planning to go in a book buying ban for a couple of days or a couple of months. I don't know how much I can follow this, how long, but of course I will maybe buy the thriller book box for the next month. And if I do, of course I will not be able to stop myself from buying these boxes, but I'll still try to at least buy 1 box, not the 2 boxes. Let's see what happens. This is the first time which I ordered both the boxes, because previously I ordered only the vanilla book box and then only the thriller book box and like that. So this is the first time which I actually ordered both the boxes, and I really enjoyed them. Like this is like the best feeling ever. I don't know why, because when I don't know which books are coming, and most of these books are actually not released yet. I have not checked it, but yeah, this happens because this feels great. So this was all about my video. If you really enjoyed it, if you want to share any kind of things with me regarding books and the way I am making these videos, and if you're liking them, you can definitely subscribe to my channel because I will try to make more contents regarding book in this channel. So okay, thank you, bye bye.